I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to add a debit card to your Chase account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Chase app. Launch the Chase mobile app on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, download it from your app store. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the shark.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to account services. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner, then select account services. Step 4. Select add a debit card. In the account services menu, look for the option to add a debit card. Tap on it to proceed. If you don't see it, ensure your app is updated. Step 5. Enter your card details. Fill in the required information for your debit card, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for accuracy to avoid errors. Adding a debit card can sometimes be tricky if the app doesn't recognize your card details, so make sure everything is entered correctly. That's it. You're all set to use your new debit card with Chase. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.